Hi! Please check an example how I manage my database. This will help you identify best possible solution for yours. Database contains different companies, their tickers, relevant sector and market capitalization. So whenever I need complete company name, and its ticker, I just select a word, and run a macro, to find complete information. I can use a word from name, or ticker to get the complete data. If I need to edit this data, I simply run another macro. This user form is now showing me the complete details of selected company, the details came from database. Let's say, if I change the company's name and its market cap, to 1900, and press the Save button, the macro will automatically change the information in our database. Let's do it again. Suppose we do not have this ticker in our database. When we run the macro, it will show the text box in red color. Now we have opportunity to save new information in our database. If I fill out information, and press the Save button, it will add another row to my database. Perfectly executed! Let me know what you think about it in comments. If you have any suggestion, please share.